I'm already on it. We'll finish in a bit.
Come on, you've been on it for more than half an hour now.
Yeah, and I have only 20 minutes to go. I mean, this is pretty cool. Installing such a comprehensive software in under an hour, you can hardly match that.
So?
Soon. I'm on it.
All right. I'm glad we started with my computer then. Will you get to the other computers today?
I'm sorry, that can't be done. I have a few printers to attend to. These uncertainty softwares? I wish they were web-based one day. Wouldn't that be something? You would just connect to the cloud and you would have everything through the browser. You would have the auto updates, you would have data accessible to all.
Stop dreaming. Speaking about updates, can we schedule them now so that I know when to take vacation?
Wouldn't that be something? A cloud-based software saving the hassle of installation and version updates.